Guys, what in the world? Shut up. Wait, let's do a test. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 616 bringing you all the good things. Y'all, today good thing I'm bringing you is microwave pork rinds. You all, I have never heard of this a day in my life. Do you hear me? Never. In 31 years, I have never. How do you microwave pork rinds? We finna find out today. So, it says to shake the bag, well, remove the plastic over the wrap, unfold the bag, shake 5 or 6 times. So we're gonna do that. Cause I'm excited, you guys. If you guys like my new intro, y'all go look. I'm gonna drop it's Deja Ashanti's information in the comments, in the descriptions. Cause she did that. She did that. My new intro is fire. So we have it out the bag, you guys, okay? We're gonna shake it up. I think that was like 4 times. Okay. So we're gonna do that. Then we're going to, oh no, we gotta shake it like this. Okay, then we're gonna put the microwave times may vary 1 to 2 minutes. So we're gonna put this direction side up. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. 2.
It's just very much focus. Yes, honey. More focus. Okay. Well, let me happy, guys. Gonna pass my hands again, guys. Ooh, it's coming! It's coming! Where's this nasty? Where's this nasty? Come on, you guys. I don't got no type of juice in that. Open it carefully. Okay, so guys, here we go. This will be a really short video. Grab here to open. Okay. Gotta be very careful. It is hot. Ooh. You guys, what in the world? This is it. This is the thumbnail.